In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the charcoal canister vent valve on this Nissan Altima. It's clipped right on the charcoal canister above the rear subframe. It is possible to get to it as it is, but it will be a tight fit in there. So let's get started. Looking above the rear subframe, through this opening or through the front, you can see the vent valve. Let's remove this hose. Sometimes they're stuck, so I'm going to use a pry bar to help it off of here. Push that aside. With that aside, there's an electrical connector at the top of it that has to be unplugged. You can reach it through this opening, press on the tab, pull it off. Now to actually remove the vent valve, all you have to do is twist it counterclockwise until it stops, and then wiggle it off, and there it is. Get the new vent valve and line it up with that hole in the charcoal canister. That's how it locks in. Line up the tabs and push it in. Turn it clockwise. It should click into place. At the top, reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure that clicks. And on the bottom, reconnect the hose. Make sure that's completely bottomed out. There's no clamp on this one, so you have to make sure it's seated. Now clear the check engine light if you had an issue and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.